guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name is Very Dalisa. Hit the like and subscribe and comment. Very good you can. Okay. This is the stairs. She is on a phone. Or this one. Yeah. Red na bola. It. Medyo malaki. Mag-translate yan.
In English.
Final question is, I'll give you a clue.
What's the clue?
How many
Hindi naman nawawan.
how many are these? They are 3 times 3 of it.
It's 3, 6,
9.
12.
For the right answer
What's the right answer?
is 9.
Okay. It's 9.
Okay. So then I'll give you plus 4 plus 4. What's the answer?
It's
4,
6.
8.
Ay, 8 pa.
And then
Hindi pa rin si ma'am.
plus 3 plus 1.
Huh?
8 plus 1
Eh di 9.
and plus 1
Plus 1. 10.
plus 1 ulit.
11.
The right answer 11.
Okay. Ano ka na? Paano ka na? Mag-bye-bye ka na.
And then wait, I'll say you a final question of the number. How many is this? Count your fingers and see what is for. That's grade 1. Long. The right answer is 7.
6. Ay, 17.
Next. What number is this?
It's 4.
So the right answer is 4.
Tagal mo naman yun. Magpaalam ka na.
Okay, so
4.
then there's 2 twos. How many is this?
4 po.
The right answer is 4. So see you later, guys. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and share this video to Facebook, Messenger, and even Instagram too.
Instagram. TikTok.
Or want you have more, you need to use this sound and you need to use this sound to create your own video look like me, and then hit the like subscribe right now so I'll give you some free Robux or Robux. Bye.